Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We are Stephanie and Luis, and today we are taking you to somewhere really special, right in the heart of Juárez in Mexico City, to discover Xinú. Xinú is a Mexican niche perfumery that celebrates the amazing scents and natural beauty of the American continent. This experience store is located on a previously car repair workshop, and now is designed to give the neighborhood a nature escape. A circular wooden pavilion with vertical windows that blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors. Each scent tells a story. One fragrance is a tribute to tobacco, which is the most symbolic plant of the American continent. Another is inspired by the jungle and the green leaves of Monstera.
This is very nice.
Our favorite were Aguamadera, based on the scent of agave exploring a mezcal theme, and Copala, which takes a mystic approach to smoky wood. Aguamadera was also very interesting, having a strong tuberose and orange scent. This is a tribute to the Mexican tuberose. We loved their concept of reusing the bottles of perfumes when they are finished. Their bottles are truly a design piece and look so good as a flower vase. The boutique experience is multisensory and immersive as a visit to a museum, with each fragrance own station with raw materials displayed, illustrations and collage art that brings storytelling and information to us. Xinú, it's about more than a fragrance. It's about memory, place, and emotion, captured in wood, resin, flower, and smoke. Whether you walk away with a perfume, a candle, or simply the memory and the experience of it, Xinú leaves a mark. From the architectural beauty of the boutique, with the carefully crafted scents and objects, every detail tells a story. Xinú Marsella store is an invitation to slow down and reconnect with nature, with the culture, and with yourself.